Ever stared at a trading chart, lines crisscrossing like a digital spiderweb, and wondered, can I really trust this? That's TradingView for you, a platform buzzing with traders, ideas, and enough data to make your head spin. But in the wild west of online finance, trust is a currency more valuable than Bitcoin. So, let's dive in and see if TradingView earns its stripes. Think of TradingView as a social media platform built specifically for traders. You've got real-time price feeds, a vast array of technical indicators, drawing tools galore, and a community sharing their every bullish and bearish thought. It's a powerful toolkit, no doubt. But the sheer volume of information, both insightful and, well, less so, begs the question, where does reliability fit into this picture? One of TradingView's biggest strengths is its data. They pull in price information from a multitude of exchanges, giving you a broad view of the market. This aggregation helps in identifying trends and patterns that might be specific to a single exchange. However, it's crucial to understand that TradingView itself isn't an exchange. They're providing the data, not executing the trades. So, while the data is generally considered accurate, discrepancies can occasionally pop up due to exchange-level issues or API glitches. It's always wise to cross-reference with your actual brokerage platform, especially when making critical trading decisions. Then there are the indicators. TradingView boasts an impressive library, from the classics like moving averages and RSI to more esoteric creations cooked up by the community. While these tools can be incredibly helpful in analyzing price action, remember the golden rule: indicators are based on historical data and are not foolproof predictors of the future. Trust the logic behind them, understand their limitations, and don't rely on any single indicator as a magic bullet. The social aspect of TradingView is a double-edged sword. On one hand, you can connect with other traders, learn new strategies, and get different perspectives. The platform is a hotbed of shared charts and trading ideas. On the other hand, remember that everyone on there has their own agenda, biases, and levels of expertise, or lack thereof. Blindly following someone's calls, especially without understanding their reasoning, is a recipe for disaster. Do your own due diligence. Treat shared ideas as starting points for your own analysis, not gospel. TradingView also offers PineScript, its own programming language, allowing users to create and share custom indicators and trading strategies. This opens up a world of possibilities, but it also introduces another layer of trust. While many community-created scripts are incredibly useful, some might be poorly coded or even designed with malicious intent. Always scrutinize the code of any custom indicator you use, or stick to well-established and widely used scripts from reputable creators. Ultimately, can you trust TradingView? The answer is a nuanced yes, with caveats. Trust the platform for providing a comprehensive suite of tools and a wealth of market data. Trust it as a place to connect with other traders and learn. But always exercise critical thinking. Verify data, understand the limitations of indicators, and approach community ideas with a healthy dose of skepticism. Your trading success hinges on your own analysis and judgment, not blind faith in any single platform or individual. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.